welcome to sharmismilletkitchen Sughiyan. It is one of the famous traditional South Indian dishes, especially Tamil Nadu and Kerala. But where there is a small difference making of Sughiyan in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. In Tamil Nadu, channa dal is used for filling, whereas Kerala, green gram dal is used for filling. The rest of other procedures are same in this, but nowadays for tasting purpose people are using in maida, that is all purpose flour, and baking soda to make Sughiyan, but that's not good for health. But traditionally rice flour is used to make a Sughiyan. Here I am going to make a Sughiyan with millet flour. Let's see how to do it.
Take half cup of urad dal. Wash it 2-3 times. Now it's soaked well. Now I'm going to grind it. Now I made smooth finely batter from urad dal. I'm adding 3/4 cup of millet flour. You can use any one type of millet flour. Then for coloring, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now I am adding pinch of salt. Now make a thick smooth batter. Make a smooth batter without forming any lumps. Better use hands to mix the batter. Now batter is ready. Keep it aside for 10 minutes. In between we will make a stuff, inner stuff. Now I have taken 100 grams channa dal. This is 1 cup. 125 ml cup. So if you can take 1 cup means it is the 100 grams channa dal. Next we have to cook it. It should not be overcooked. There is one tip. When you pour the water, don't pour more water. The level of water should be like this. Now channa dal is cooked. Drain the water completely. Now water is completely drained. Next we have to grind it coarsely. I am adding jaggery powder. Actually this is the powder, so you can add directly. Suppose if you don't have this powder means make a jaggery syrup and add it. So this is the half cup of jaggery powder. Half teaspoon of elaichi powder. Add pinch of salt. Actually this pinch of salt always enhances the sweetness. I am adding half cup of grated coconut. Mix well. Now mixing it and make a small balls. So what are the steps followed to make inner stuff? Means the first one, that dal should not overcooked. Then add small pinch of salt. And then jaggery powder is the best than jaggery water. So if you follow this, then it will be good. Suppose if you have jaggery water means add a little water, jaggery water. So like this you make a ball. Actually at this stage itself you can eat. It's very tasty. Suppose if you don't want to deep fry it, then you can have this also as a snack. Now balls are ready. For 100 grams channa dal, you can make a 12 medium sized ball like this. Now I am dipping the ball into this batter. Dip it completely. And deep fry it. Keep your stove in medium flame. Oil should be kept at heat. That's all. Deep fry it until it becomes brown color. See how yummy. Wow. If you have remaining batter, ferment it and make a dosa.